In order to change the lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy A17, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we can scroll down a little bit, and then we can choose Wallpaper and Style. Next, we can tap on our lock screen. Now we can tap on the clock, and here we can customize the clock. So for example, we can change the font. So for example, something like this. In some cases, we can also make it thinner or bolder. We can change the color, so we can apply one of these fancy colors if you want to. And besides that, we can go to style in order to choose a completely different style for our clock. So let's say we can use this animation one. I believe it is an animation. Then over here, we can also toggle the information about the weather, and we can move the date above clock if you want to. Besides that, you can grab it by these corners and you can make it bigger or smaller. So we can move it like this, for example, and you can also change the position if there is enough space, of course. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. And yeah, once you are done, we can press done in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.